Quick video on Fisher, Western, maybe even some SnowEx plows. Headlight risers. Lifts the headlights up off the headgear 3 inches. The newer design is all one piece. It's not 2 separate pieces per side, it's one piece. But made out of 3 16-inch wall tubing, which is the same as the plow, so it's plenty heavy duty. Came with all the hardware and everything. Super easy. You just unbolt the existing lights, and all the hardware, the existing hardware stays on the top side of the bracket, and the bottom side of the bracket comes with the bolt, washer, nut on the bottom. Realign your lights, adjust zip tie or whatnot if you have to, because your lights, your harness will have to come up a little bit, but way better. So now when you're driving around with the plow up, you can see over your plow.